The air temperature is getting hotter. The rainy and dry seasons are no longer erratic, as well as extreme weather that have never happened before started to hit Indonesia. These problems are considered as the impact of the global change. And as we know, the global change has become an urgency that we need to pay more attention to. Like what the IPCC says, that we only have 3 years later or until 2025 to fix this climate change problem. We can overcome this climate change by reducing the amount of garbage on the earth. One of them is by recycling, because besides we can reduce the amount of garbage on the earth, that means we can breathe some fresh air from the air. We can reducing the amount of greenhouse gas emission to the air. But as we know, warnings and suggestions about action on this climate change have little impact. Some are starting to care, but most of people still do not care. So we believe that criminalization should be done. According to the KBBI, criminalization is a process that shows behavior that was not initially considered as a criminal offense, but was later classified as a criminal offense by the community. Criminals, what we mean is that they should learn their responsibility to fix the climate change problem by participating in training so that they care more about the environment or sensitive to the problems that occur on our earth. Because if they are criminalized by just send them to the prison, of course this not will make any change to our earth. Ignorant people still exist and greenhouse gas emission will continue to increase. That certainly will be affecting the Earth's conditions. Besides of them, we want that the people who participate in training earn money from that. So, in addition to reducing the problems of the climate crisis, they also get economic benefits by this. Because of that, we believe that criminalizing people who don't want to recycle is the most effective way. But why we choose to criminalize the people who don't want to recycle? Well, I will explain in my arguments. I have 2 points about it. The first is criminalize people who don't want to recycle is an effective way. As we know, many benefits we can obtain in recycle, such as we can reduce the amount of garbage in our earth, so we can breathe some fresh air anywhere, reduce the greenhouse gas emission, which will very contribute to change the earth a better place, and gain money from recycle. From these reasons, we believe that recycle is an effective way to face the problem of climate crisis, and by criminalize the people who doesn't want to recycle, people who will more pay attention about how recycle contribute to the climate change. The second point is we can make the better world. The criminalization of people who do not want to recycle, of course, it will have a deterrent effect from the people. So this will make people more motivated to recycle. And this will also, over time, recycling will become a habit. So we can make a better world by recycling, because we can obtain a better world by reducing garbage in our earth. That means contribute to face the problem of climate change. In conclusion, we believe that criminalize people who don't want to recycle is not wrong, and is an effective way to face the problem of climate change that we face today. That's all we are proud to propose.